Hello students, hope you all are fine and doing well. My today's topic is NCERT Standard 9, Chapter 1 Economics. The story of village Palampur. This is an imaginary village where most of the people are engaged in the agricultural activities. Still 70% of Indian population is engaged with agricultural works. So this chapter will enable you about the basic structure of economics, which comprises the three types of activities: production, distribution, and consumption. So let's begin the topic with the first activity, production. So let's discuss the meaning of production. Production is a system which determines the production of various goods and services in the economy, where we need input and output. Input, whatever is used in the production process, is called input or factor of production. Output, whatever is obtained from the process, is known as output. Under this, production may be in the two form, that is the production of crops or manufacturing of goods. There are four basic factors of production. They are land, labor, capital, and human capital. Discuss the various facts about village Palampur. Total 450 families are inhabited in village Palampur. Two schools, primary and secondary school. The main occupation is farming. Most of the houses have electricity connection. 36% farmers have 18% occupancy of land, whereas 20% big farmers have 64% occupancy of land. Non-farm activities like dairy farming, small manufacturing, local artisans, business, etc. are there. Big village like Raiganj and big town like Shahpur is well connected with village Palampur. 80 upper caste families have pakka houses. Dalit accounts one-third of total population lives in kacha house. The main production activities in village Palampur is agriculture. Other than that, people are also engaged in non-farm activities. According to the chapter, village Palampur is having two schools, one primary, one secondary school, and also having the health facilities like government hospitals and private dispensaries. It is also well connected with the nearby village Raiganj and town Sapur. It's having also the well developed irrigation system due to the well electricity connection. Almost all the houses in village Palampur, they are having electricity connections. Various transport like bullock cart, tongas, auto rickshaws, and other transports are available in village Palampur. Village Palampur is also having the small scale industries, and our local artisans are engaged for the non-farm activities. Economics is a part of social science and it deals with production, distributions, and consumptions. Every day we use various types of goods and services to fulfill our needs. For that, we perform various activities. These activities further can be categorized into two, that is economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are performed for money. Non-economic activities are those activities which only perform for pleasure, love, and affection. Take an example of your mother. If your mother is a teacher, she teaches in school, it's an economic activity. When that mother cooks food for you, that is a non-economic activity. Likewise, if we take an example of farmer, a farmer growing crops to feed his family is a non-economic activities, whereas same farmers take the crops to the market to sell is a economic activities. Further, we will discuss about the production and production factors. Let's discuss the various Features of land. Land is a basic factor of production. It refers to the natural resources. Its supply can be regulated and it is fixed in quantity. Now let's discuss the other factors of production. The second factor of production is labor. Labor means all human efforts of body or of mind which are undertakes in expectations of reward, popularly known as wages. The third factor of production is capital. Capital is an asset in terms of money, building or machineries. It further can be categorized into two, that is working capital and fixed capital. Fixed capital are those capitals which purchased once and it can be used years after years. Working capital record every steps of production like money and raw material. The fourth factors of production is the most important factor of production, that is human capital or entrepreneur. Human capital and entrepreneur combine all the other factors of production, so it is the most important factor of production.